For round 8, we are going to decrease the number of stitches in each row to make the top half of our chick. We're going to do 1 single crochet 2 together, and 1 single crochet. Let's get started. You're going to work 1 single crochet in the first stitch and single crochet the next 2 stitches together. Insert your hook into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Then insert your hook into the second stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. You should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Now single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this pattern again. 1 single crochet 2 stitches together, 1 single crochet. If you need a little more help with crocheting 2 stitches together, go back to our basic videos for detailed instructions. Repeat this pattern 4 more times. Go ahead and move your stitch marker to the last stitch of this round and then count your stitches. You should have 18 stitches.